Biodiversity constitutes a rich section of our society and natural heritage, as also an important component for the maintenance of the dynamics of our ecosystem and environment. It is not far off for us to look and search for biodiversity. If we peep through our window, we'd be able to see plants and animals that are surrounded in and around us if we just take the initiative to look around us, and we would find that we are surrounded by rich biodiversity. But unfortunately, due to natural and mostly due to anthropogenic factors or human made factors, our biodiversity is at stake. Our wildlife, our marine and freshwater biodiversity, our forests and mountains are at stake due to human activities and natural changes that is impacting our ecology and environment. It is our responsibility to work together on a common platform to help in preserving the biodiversity the best we can. Wildlife does not always need an hand-on ex situ in situ approach in protecting them in far-off forest or in secluded areas. If we are vigilant and are welcoming enough, we could have wildlife visiting our gardens, or we could have plants and animals growing in and around us that we often do not take notice of. It is important for us to create this awareness and education and sensitivity among the general public to be respectful towards biodiversity, to understand and appreciate the importance of the biodiversity, and to make them understand that if we do not protect the biodiversity around us, we are only doing harm to our own kind, and maybe will not be able to leave a planet that our next generation could avail after us. So it is responsibility of humans to work together and help working towards the conservation of wildlife, towards providing them the opportunity to reintroduction, to rehabilitation, and helping how they could reach the natural environment and exist side by side. We need to learn to coexist with our non-human inhabitants of this planet, whether animals or plants. It is our responsibility that we all cannot simply ignore and think that we have no responsibility towards them. We all look after economy, but it is now important to look after ecology too. Or in other words, we need to understand that in the present world, ecology and economy needs to work hand in hand, helping and supporting one another so that they survive as two pillars vital for the existence of the human society. The human civilization has evolved, and after the industrial evolution, our life has changed with new gadgets and new technology that is impacting our life. We are taken farther away from the nature. But it is at this juncture or this crossroad that we need to realize even more than before that we need to protect our environment. We need to protect our ecosystem. It is the joint initiative of each one of us, whether students or young citizens or senior citizens. It is not the responsibility of one individual to carry this forward. It is the collective responsibility that we should all share the burden and work towards helping one another to protect our environment and ecosystem and help biodiversity grow, regenerate, and thrive in and around us. Shaukat Kumar Basu, Bureau Report, Kalinga Chronicle TV.